Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the bullet point color in Canva step by step. It's super simple but easy to miss if you are new to Canva. Let's jump right in. First, open your Canva, canva.com, and open your project, whether it's a presentation, a poster, or a social post. Make sure you have a text box with bullet points already added. Here I have opened my bullet points. Then to add bullet, just click on your text, then click the bullet list button in the top toolbar. It looks like three dots and lines. Here you can see I have first write down my list and then go to the top bar and to select the bullet point. Then to change the color, here you can see the text color and to click, then you can choose the color which one you prefer. Now here's the trick: Canva doesn't let you select just the bullet by default, but when you highlight the entire bullet or point in line of text, you are actually selecting both the text and the bullet. So go ahead and drag your cursor over one or more bullet points to select them. Then change the bullet color. With the text selected, go to the top toolbar and as I have said, but in 2025 Canva doesn't allow you to change the bullet color separately from the text. So to have different color, you will need a workaround which I will show you next. Manually bullet color hack: if you want to the bullet to be a different color than the text, here's a hack. First of all, you have to delete the default bullet and turning off bullet list mode. Then manually type a bullet. If you use Windows, you can click all plus 0149, and if you use the Mac, you can press the option plus 8. Then highlight just the bullet symbol. Here you can see I select the bullet color, then I can change the color. You can see this. Then I have highlight the colors and separately from the rest of the line. Now you can mix and match any color you want. Super useful for presentation or stylish list. And customize finishing. You want to make your bullet points really pop, use Canvas element tab and element tab and search for bullet or dots. You can search and hit options. Here you can see this, the bullet options. Or you can search the dot. As you can see this, you will find the icon and shape you can use as custom bullets. Drag them into place, resize them and color them however you want. This add a unique visual touch to your design. And that's it. Hope you are enjoying this video and don't forget to subscribe the channels.